I will buy call option above 17,190. 17,190 is my target. I will buy call option. I will buy call option above 17,190 for targets of 17,240. 17,190 to 17,240 is my target. The only reason why I am interested in this contra trade today is because market is trading above 50 moving average, exponential moving average on 5 minutes time frame. Let me see what is the status on 15 minutes time frame. Yes, 15 minutes time frame, it is nearing. It's very well nearing EMA 21. 92. Now it's the right time to buy a call option. Yes, it's the right time to buy a call option at 81. Buying call option at 81. 17,250 call option at 81. 17,200 call option at 81. 17,250 call option at 81. I'm sorry. 17,250, 17,250 CE at 81 for targets of 99. Now on a 5 minutes time frame, it's above 17,190. On a very shorter time frame, Nifty is trading above 21 and 50 exponential moving averages. I bought 17,250 call option at 81. My first target will be 91 and my second target is 99. My stop loss will be below 50 moving average, exponential moving average. My target will be below the moving average. My first target is 91. Bank Nifty, I can see Bank Nifty also recovering from the lows. Bank Nifty future is recovering from the lows of today. Bank Nifty is on the recovery mode. Bank Nifty is on recovery mode. Everything is in red except FMCG. Everything is in red. I am expecting a recovery here. Yes, I have bought 17,250 call option at 81, expecting a target of 99. Two candles closed above the moving average, higher moving average that is 50 on a 5 minutes time frame. Time frame is important. 21 exponential moving average, which means the average price of 21 candles. My first target will be 91. My first target is 91 and my second target will be 99. 17,189. I think now the market has to move up. It's on a recovery mode today. It has to recover. There is a question from everyone, why I did not take a trade on this candle, the candle at 11:35. The reason why I didn't take a trade at this candle is because my stop loss is too big. The range is huge range. It's a very big range. So it's very risky to take a trade on this candle. And for this candle there was no benchmark, so that's the reason I did not initiate any trade. And here I had a benchmark in this I took above this, which was 81, 17,184. Now let me check Nifty futures. What's happening in Nifty future? How are the volumes in Nifty futures? Yes. Not great volumes, but still $17,190. There are sellers trying to push the futures market down. There are sellers in Nifty futures. They are trying to pull it down. $17,184, 185 to 17,200, which is a round figure. It's just one jump. 17,185 to 17,200, one jump. It will be a round figure, and my first target will be achieved from 81 to 91. Yes, 195, 196. 200, it's not possible to achieve the target. $92, $91. That will go up. Nothing to worry about it. And 91 is my target. 99 is my second target. Now it's trading at 86. So my first target is achieving now. Very shortly it will be achieved. And 10, 7, 10, 6, 5, 4, 208. So 215, 220, it's for sure. It will go there. 211, I think 215, it will go very easily. 215 to 220. If this goes till 220, then it's well and good. It's very fine. 91. Now it will touch 91. Now in this swing, it will touch 91. See, it's very easy to touch 91. Very easily it will touch 91. Just one push. 89, 90, 91. Yes. 90, 90.6, 91.20. Yes. My first target of 91 is achieved, and now I am waiting. I will wait for 99, which is my second target. 99 is my second target. Or even 97 is good. 97 is the right place now. 97 is the right place. Ninety-seven. 97 97 97 97. Back again. Now I'm waiting for the target of 97. It's 88, 89. It's trading. My first target of 91 is done. Waiting for my second target of 97. The reason why my target is 97 is below this support 1, this orange line support 1, below this orange line support 1. So that's the reason why my target is 97. This is 203, 203, 203, 203, 197, 199. Retest will happen now. After retesting, again market will move up. Retesting will happen, and there are high chances of Nifty index moving till 250, 17,250. There are chances of the index moving till 17,250. There are chances of market moving till 17,250. Let's see. This candle and the other candle in 5 minutes time frame, it will be retesting candle. 21 EMA exponential moving average is upward direction. Exactly, it took the support from 50 moving average. See, it's very clearly, it has taken support from this moving average. I can add more lots here at 80. I'm adding more lots at 80. I'm buying in at the dips. 80, I added more lots. The reason of adding more lots is because the reversal was exactly at 50 exponential moving average, 50 EMA. 50 EMA, $80. I have added more lots, and let me wind up at 90. 90. I will close all my trades at 90, and I will be done for the day. Now it's 17,191. It will touch. This will be green today. Today it will be green, and it will touch 17,220, 240. Between 220 and 240. The closing will be close to 240 today. That's what my expectation. But I'm closing at 90. I'm closing. All my lots. I want to exit out of the trade at 90. Now it's 84, 85. Then it will be 90. When it's 90, I'm out of the trade. $87. 87 and 90. $208, $207. So if it is coming somewhere around 215, I'm out of the trade. 215 or 220, I'm out of the trade. I will be out of the trade at 90. 90. I'm out of the trade at 90. I will be out of the trade now. 89, 89, 89, 89, 89, 89, 89. Just one jump. 89. 206, 207. 210, 212 will be out. 215 will be out. 215. 17,215. I am out. 17,215. I will be out of the trade. Close to 215, I will be out of the trade. $87, $89, $217, $208, $209. Not happening. Why this is not going above 89? There will be a big jump now. There will be a big jump. There will be a big jump now. 89.75, 89.50, 89.60. Done. I'm done, and I'm done.